Hello guys, welcome back to Lola's Kitchen. I hope everyone is doing well, inshallah. Today I'll be walking you through how to make homemade cream cheese. I'm sure I'm not the only one. Everything is so expensive now. Before cream cheese is like what, $3, $4? Now it's like $8. It's just crazy. I made it before, but a different way, and so far this has been my favorite. The kids love it. We love using cream cheese, so it ran out very fast. But this one will last maybe for 2 weeks, hopefully. That's my kids enjoying their bread with the cream cheese. So you only need two things really to make this cream cheese. I'll let you watch the video all the way. Please, before you go, don't forget to like this video, comment, and subscribe if you're new. And let me know what next you would like to see. Thank you. And just like that, you have homemade cream cheese. Look at how easy that was. I'm sure you have everything you need in your fridge. So go ahead, give it a try. Let me know after you try it. And after you finished, put it in the fridge for at least 1 hour before you use it. Mine was in the fridge for like 10 hours, I think, because I made it at night, and then the next morning, that's when we use it. And it's very nice. I like mine just like this. You can even blend it a little bit more, but for me, I like to know that it's homemade. I hope you like this video. Again, please, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and if you've already been a fan, don't forget to like the video, comment, and share with your family and friends. Also, let me know what you would like to see next. Thank you so much, guys. Bye bye.